It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in, because in this video we are going to take a close look at the 1001, and I must say that it's not the 1001 that I was really excited about. This is basically the thing, how it looks. Okay, they will give you some interesting presentation. The box is a very nice high quality one, and that is something that is always a good sign. Alright, so let's open it up. Ooh, but it is your typical multi-game card, or what it is. It's a quite interesting one. So this is basically like a display behind it. So you need to peel this off. So it's kind of funny, you know, like it always weighs quite heavy, but the interesting way is like this thing will need like a battery. Let's see if it comes with the battery. So it's like convenient. Ah, there we have him, the BL5C. This is the Nokia old school battery. So I find it a little bit of a bummer I need to peel off the sticker, but this is like pure nostalgia. Like Famicom games are basically like of the Famicom multi-card games are so cool to see it like this way. Alright, so let's peel it off, I guess. Let's try it from a different angle. Alright, so that was more like a kind of a protection. Alright, here we go. And here we have the system itself. I'm going to save this sticker because I think it's pretty cool. Okay, I can also, now I was like put it on the back, it's not a good idea. Alright, so let's put the battery in. Let's see if it's going to be powering on. Okay, volume control on off is over here. Ah, freaking, the battery is dead. So volume control, AV out. So basically this thing is only AV out, I'm guessing. So this is just a plastic bracket. I must say that I really like what they're doing over here. Like this thing looks pretty damn cool. Wireless controllers. It does have like a built-in battery. It does have like a very cheap feel. Let's smell it. It smells nice. Doesn't smell chemical whatsoever. We've got like plastic buttons like the start. Normally we have like a rubberized. But that's it. Like, let's hook it all up. Let's charge it all up. The downside to this is there's only, let's see, inside a very short cable. Like, what the hell do I suppose they need to do with this? And then we have like an AV out cable. Kind of funny is like, normally you have like these plug and play handhelds that just have like a display and an AV out, but that is basically what I get. I was hoping this thing was more like a piece of plastic than that was like a docking station. That would be cool, but no, it is just a piece of plastic that you need to click in here, and that's it. It doesn't even like stay in its position. Alright, so quite interesting. I think you can just put it on here like a system and you can just play your games like this. But first, let's get myself a charger, because they didn't give me one. Freaking cheapskates. Alright, so let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. Also, the control needs to be powered on. Ah, there is some juice in the controller. It's going to be the same story that we've seen many times before now. So when you're pressing the volume control button, the thing goes very loud. Reset. See, it resets basically everything. Goes back to the menu over here. Oh boy. Okay, but they're not like really lying about the display. So the display isn't a way better display than we have seen before. You can see like the viewing angles are absolutely better. But let's take a close look at the games itself. Yeah, so it's going to be our typical like multi-game card. The 1001 is absolutely a lie. We're going to get a lot of double games. We do have like a lot of familiar titles. I would not be surprised that we're also going to get a lot of doubles. What I hate about these things, that we're not going to get, let's say, in good, let's say, alphabetic order. We'll give you like a quick overview of everything. But let's boot up a first game. No, wait, let's go farther. I just want to see if we can find the same games again. Pinball 2. Zippy Race. Yeah, you get the point. That annoying soundtrack. Oh, so much better. Let's take a close look at Pinball 2. It's actually Pinball 2. Okay, the bottom mapping is completely weird. Huh, what? That goes great. You can hear that all the sound effects are here. Okay. I love to check out those weird games. Small Dinosaur. Okay. Let's crank up the volume. Oh yeah, this actually like this weird homebrew games. Okay, so let's see what are we going to get with the Adventure Island. Let's see if there are like a shitload of screen tearing. You can see like we're missing a lot of details on the screen itself. We do have like a shitload of screen tearing. But let's plug it into the television just to see if we do still have the same issues. Alright, so when basically like plugging in the AV out cable, it will automatically go through the big screen. And I can tell you the signal output on this thing is absolutely horrible. Alright, so let's continue and let's see how it plays. Let's see if we do have like some screen tearing now. The screen tearing is basically the problem of the handheld or the mini device itself. I find a little bit of a bummer that this freaking thing has such a bad, let's say, video output. I can tell you I've seen my share of video outputs that are pretty damn bad, but this is absolutely the king of them. Sound effects are all here. Oh, oh boy. Actually, the controller plays pretty damn good. Okay guys, I must give them some extra wicked kudos for being creative and do something different. But yeah, in the end, what you're basically going to get, if you're going to get yourself like a handheld, sometimes you can buy an 8-bit handheld with like say controller support, wireless, or most of the time it's, I think it's with the wire, and just having like a device. The idea behind this is just to basically like put it on the table and just play a game. It's quite tiny a display. I think like again like the idea behind it is pretty damn cool. This Games Power K20. But yeah, it's just an 8-bit, and it would be so cool if you can play even some arcade games on it. Maybe that's the next one. For now, this is what you're going to get. I hope this video helped out. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, and give this video a like if you liked it. And if you didn't like, you can just don't like it, whatever. It would be great to see you and subscribed, and it would be great to see you in the next video. So let's go with the show. I can't get this thing out. What the hell?